Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take it, kings and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the fire. Fire.
Like a rainy day.
Let's go. We about to get it in.
Oh, whatever. Ooh. It still looks really good. You want to do what?
I want to shoot some video with you actually putting the weight on, actually warming up.
Why not?
We warming up.
Why not?
Because I don't want to embarrass you.
The bullshit.
We waiting on you.
It was cutting into my ring.
It's only that hand, right?
It was hurting me, like cutting my hand.
You care about this hand or the only that hand?
You think he would just start already? No. Hurry up, Junior. Mr. Procrastinator. Hurry up.
Survive.
Every time I come to the gym with him, ain't nothing.
Oh, okay.
It ain't nothing.
She made it out alive this time.
It ain't nothing.
She made it out alive this time. That's what it is.
It ain't nothing.
Okay.
Ain't nothing. Y'all was using your special towel? I was using your special towel? Look at this. No, I didn't bust no sweat. It's light work. 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 Light work. I've never been to Cheddar's. He's taking me to Cheddar's. How am I gonna go to the gym and then go straight to Cheddar's?
Because I need to get my protein in. The heck? Yeah, you want something real good? Greg.
Ooh, it's hot. It's time for a refill. Wow. Okay, I'm getting me ready to go get my nails done because they look atrocious. I really want to show you guys what I'm wearing really quickly. It's super simple, but it's super chic to go to get your nails done. But let me show you guys what I'm wearing. All right, y'all, let me show y'all what I got on. It's really super cute, casual, chic. I just have this sheer top. Of course, I have like a bandeau top and some black slacks. And then I got my Chanel coat. So this is the look. It's super, super casual. Hopefully you guys can see me. Hopefully. But it's like real casual chic. Had to go get my nails done. But let's go, y'all. We gotta go get my nails done. Because my nails look so atrocious. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all see that bill? Let's go. Hey guys, we are in the midst of Hurricane Milton. It's supposed to make landfall tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be Wednesday. So we'll see how it treats us in Florida. It is a category 5 right now. A lot of people are nervous. A lot of people are getting sandbags. A lot of people are fighting over water, toilet paper, like the essentials. It's just crazy out here. BJ's is sold out. Costco is sold out. Sam's Club is sold out of water. So people are like kind of like scraping around looking for water. I luckily was able to find water at Dollar General for like $5. So I literally stocked up and got like 4 or 5 of them, and they literally stocked up on purified water. But literally like no one can find water. It's like really bad out here, y'all. So make sure y'all pray for us out here in Florida, because Hurricane Milton has had, they got the women, they got everybody out here shook. Okay, everybody is out here shook about this hurricane. The weather is really bad. It's so gray outside. I don't know if y'all could tell. It's so gray outside, like, and it's been raining nonstop. My pool is almost over flooded, so I don't know what to do at this point. So we shall see how that goes. But you guys just keep us in your prayers. Keep Florida in your prayers. Hopefully I don't get it too bad, because I am South Florida. A lot of those who are in Tampa, Clearwater, Ocala, up there in North Florida, Orlando, Tampa-ish area, they're gonna be hit really hard. So hopefully everybody's safe and everyone is, you know, being safe and acting civilized. Civilized is the word.
Watch how the women start sniffing around when we be ripping it down. We got them sticking around. The way they love the kid like I'm the king of the town. The way my money stacks stupid, got them flipping around and got them digging the sound.
I know you look finger licking, hey baby girl. I don't use my double tricking, no chicken. Listen, cook food, shorty fat in my tummy. You could go when I am my slacks, don't touch my money. Even though you looking good and it was nice to meet you, you be lucky if you even get a slice of pizza from me. Before you ever try to touch my money clip, I put you on the corner walking up and down the money strip. Look at here, honey dip, better find another dummy quick. Homie tryna stump, better jump inside a money whip. Let's see what you can get, and keep it over there. You better try your luck, cause you ain't getting nothing over here. I think you need to move it to the left, shout it. Move it to the left, shout it. If you ain't got your own paper, I don't suggest you hold your breath, shout it. Keep it right, shout it. You better keep it tight, shout it. You better bring money out your crib, cause you ain't getting none of mine tonight, shout it.
it is the time of the month. I feel so fat and I feel so bloated. I planned to go to the gym today, but ended up not going because I don't feel good. My cramps are cramping, so I'm not gonna do it. And plus it looks so gloomy outside. Like, if I feel like I should be in bed with my snacks. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go home and just chill. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I just came from the gym. I did cardio today. I hate cardio. I'm not a cardio girly. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm just not a cardio girly. I love lifting weights, but cardio, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna head to Sephora because I do have something to go pick up there. I literally brought a foundation from there, the Mario Badescu. Y'all know I love my Mario Badescu foundation. I have to go pick it up. I ordered it early in the week, and today's my last day to go pick it up. So if I don't go pick it up today, they're going to refund me, and I need that foundation. So let's head to
Got her ass again. Then she got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie ass to Odell when and let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take up whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about her nails, I'm finna nail her as her own. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Mace, I made her tell me what she want. I'm already knowing. Spoiled as a motherfucker.
Hey guys, it's the next day. I am heading to Pilates, but this is going to be completely different. You guys know that I do Pilates on a reformer. This is not going to be on a reformer. This is going to just be mats, and it's going to be in a very hot room. So it's kind of like a hot yoga, but we're not doing yoga, it's Pilates. You guys know I've been trying to lose about 20 pounds. For the most part, I like how I look. If I can lose 15 pounds, I'll be really, really nice. But I've been doing a lot of Stairmaster. I have been doing a lot of cardio, and you guys know I already do Pilates, but it's on a reformer. So today it's not going to be on a reformer. So this is my first time going. This class is completely free. I found it on Eventbrite. I've been trying to kind of switch up my workout routine. Doing a Stairmaster every day has been very, very boring. Going to my reformer Pilates classes has been very mundane. You know, repetitive, and I just really want to switch out my routine. So I'm gonna try out the class today and see how I like it. I'm currently at Dunkin' getting coffee. Y'all know I love my Dunkin' coffee, so I'm getting a latte just to get on my way over there because it's 45 minutes from my home. So I left my home a little bit early to go, and of course I had to get my coffee so I can get me a little bit of caffeine in me before I take this class. The class is from 12 to 2, which means that it's going to be a long session. I'm looking forward to it. Maybe meet some new girlies, you know, maybe, you know, chit chat with new girlies, and you know, with the love of Pilates, because you guys know I love Pilates. So it's kind of like really nice to kind of like meet other women who are like-minded. So I'm excited. Let me get my coffee and then we're gonna head to Pilates.